Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can automatically add new WordPress users as subscribers inside MailChimp. In this video, I am adding my WordPress users in MailChimp email marketing software. But in place of MailChimp email marketing software, you can use any email marketing software. Talking about some of them are like Sendinblue, Aweber, Pabbly email marketing, etc. And I am going to do this process by integrating two software, that is WordPress and MailChimp. Why? So that whenever a new user is registered inside WordPress, that user will be automatically added inside the MailChimp contact list as a new subscriber. But let me tell you about one issue. And the issue here is both WordPress and MailChimp do not have any sort of direct integration between them, and that is why we are going to use automation software Pabbly Connect. Now with the help of Pabbly Connect, we can transfer the data from WordPress to MailChimp. And the best part here will be we do not require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Now in front of us, we have a registration page. I am going to register a new user and then we are going to check in MailChimp if this new user has been registered, added as a subscriber or not. So for that, let me fill in the details and register this new user. Okay, let me enter the first name, last name, username, okay, the email address of this user will be, I'm going to set the password now. Let me create the account now. Now it may take few seconds to get new user registered to this application, that is WordPress. So you may have to wait for a few seconds like me, and then we will see after the registration process is done. Okay, so as in you can see in front of us, the registration process is done. After that, we will check if this new user has been added as a new subscriber in MailChimp or not. So this is my MailChimp account and there's this list called Pabbly in which I'm gonna check if the new user that we have recently, entered the details and registered is now here or not. So you can see the new user was Shanky Kim, which is now registered here and which is now subscribed here at MailChimp contact list, and all the details that Shanky Kim has entered is now here. So basically it is possible that whenever a new user is registered inside WordPress, that user will be automatically added inside the MailChimp contact list as a new subscriber in real time, that too with the help of automation software Pabbly Connect. And you can also do it. How? Let me show you. Well, for that you have to search for pabbly.com in your browser first. Like me. This is the website of pabbly.com, and the next step will be click on products and then click on connect. After that, click on sign in. Since I have already signed in to my account, this is the screen that is appearing in front of us, but you can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. The next step will be click on access now at connect. After that, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect you can see in front of you. Now the next step is we have to create a workflow. So click at create workflow and here we are going to name our workflow. I'm going to name it as WordPress to MailChimp. So this is basically the name of my workflow. I will attach the link of this workflow in the description box as well. So just in case you want to access this workflow, you can directly clone it into your account by signing it for free. Okay, the next step is just click on create. So our workflow is created now, and this is basically our trigger window. In this trigger window, we have to choose the application. So first we want to integrate our WordPress. So we will choose the application as WordPress. Okay. So after selecting the application, now we have to choose the trigger event. Now your obvious question may be, what is this trigger event and what am I talking about this trigger event, trigger window and everything related to that. So let me tell you. Basically, automation runs on two simple concepts, that is triggers, and the other one is action. Trigger is when this happens. Action is do this. Now connecting it with our use case today is what we want. Whenever a new user is registered inside WordPress, that user should be automatically added to our MailChimp contact list as a new subscriber. So that is why in the trigger event, what am I going to choose and select is, let me show you. So I am going to use and select this option called user registers. Now I have selected this trigger event, but in case if you want more trigger events, action events of your choice, then you can click at this option called request integration, and here you can request any sort of integration, trigger events, action events that you want. Okay, now you can see the webhook URL has been generated in front of us. The next step will be just copy this webhook URL. What is this webhook? Webhook is an essential way to get the data from the external software at Pabbly's end. This webhook helps you to build a connection between Trigger software and Pabbly Connect. Our next step will be copying this webhook URL and pasting it in the application, that is WordPress. So let me log into my WordPress account. Okay, so you can see now this is my WordPress account, and after opening your WordPress account, what are you going to do is just scroll down and you will find the option called settings. At settings, you will find the option called WP Webhooks. Click on WP Webhooks. Okay, so after that, WP Webhooks will open. So it is open now, and you can see some set of options. We will move to this option called send data and click on it. Okay, now you can see webhook triggers are available in front of us. These are some webhook triggers, as you can see: send data on register, send data on login, and so on. Here we have to select a webhook trigger. I'm going to select my webhook trigger as send data on register because as per our use case. So after that, we are going to click at add new webhook URL. I'm going to add new webhook URL. Now we have to name our webhook. So I'm going to name it as WordPress user registration. So this is webhook name. You can give your own webhook name. Now I'm going to paste the webhook URL that I have got from Pabbly Connect. After that, I'm going to click at add for create user. So now our webhook has been pasted. We will move back to Pabbly Connect. Now what we're going to do is click at capture webhook response. Now we will again move back to our webhook. We will again move back to our WordPress account, and we are going to now register a new user again. So this is a new registration page. I'm going to register a new user now. Okay, so let me fill in the details. The first name is Bruno. Kim is the second name. Bruno Kim 456 is his username. Sorry, let me fill in the details now. Okay, so you can see the user is now getting registered. Till then, we will wait till the confirmation will come. Okay, so it may take few seconds. So now you can see the account has been registered of Bruno Kim. After that, we will move to our Pabbly Connect account. Now you can also see the webhook response has also been generated and the data has been captured by Pabbly Connect. The data related to the new user registration. So you can see the username, email address, name, and everything related to that. Now our first step is now completed, that we have integrated our WordPress to our Pabbly Connect. We will move to our second step. For that, click on this plus button. And our second step will be, we will be integrating our MailChimp account to Pabbly Connect. For that, at this action window, at choose application, we will select MailChimp as second application. that is this one. Now we will move to action event. I'm going to select the action event as add new member, this one. Next step is click on connect with MailChimp. Now you can see we have to fill in the new credential details, and first we have is the token ID. From where we can get the token? You can read it from help text that we have to open a MailChimp account. At account we will go to extras, and then at API keys we will find the token. I'm going to repeat this. So at account, I will move to account. After that at extras, at API keys, we can see our API key. So there are many API keys. We can create a new API key. So this is my new API key. This is my token. So I'm going to copy it, simply copy it, move to Pabbly Connect account and paste the token. The next blank is data center. Now, what is this data center? You can get your data center from the URL over your MailChimp, and you have to simply select US 19. So let me show you what you can do. Move back to your MailChimp account. At URL section, simply copy this US 19 like me. Copy it, paste it at data center. After that, we can save it. Okay, at this stage, our MailChimp is now connected with Pabbly Connect. We can see some set of blanks in front of us. Talking about the first one we have to choose the audience list. There's one audience list that is present there in my account, and the name of the audience list is Pabbly. Let me show you. This is audience, this is the list, and the name of the audience list is Pabbly. While logging into your MailChimp account, you must have created our new contact list or audience list. So you can select your audience list from here. I'm going to keep it as Pabbly because this is my audience list. Next is first name. Now here I'm going to map the first name of the user registered. Okay, so the first name was Brunio. So this is the first name. Now we have to map the last name. Last name was Kim. This is the last name. I've mapped it. Okay, the next one is phone number. If you remember, Brunio Kim hasn't entered the phone number during the registration process. So I'm going to skip it. If you have received the phone number details as well, you can map it from here. Next step is we have to map the email address at this blank. Let me map the email address of Brunio Kim. So this is the email address. Now the next step is we have to select the status of the subscriber. I'm going to select the status of the subscriber as subscribed because if you remember the use case, what we want is whenever a new user is registered inside WordPress, we want to subscribe that user. So I'm going to keep it as subscribed. But in case if you want to select other condition, the condition is unsubscribed, cleaned, pending or transaction, you can select that. But according to our use case, we have to select subscribed here. The next one is tags. Now what is this tags? Tags is basically a category where you want to add your contact. So there's a process in which you have to, write your tags. So let me show you. Okay. So now I'm going to give a name to my tags. I'm going to give it as WordPress because I am receiving this information from WordPress. So just to remember it, I'm going to give the tags as WordPress. You can give the tags according to your choice. There's one tag that I'm adding. The next step is save and send the test request. Okay, so we can see the API response has been generated. And now what are we going to do is we are going to check in our MailChimp account if this new user has been added as a subscriber in the list or not. So this is the MailChimp account. This is the list. I'm going to refresh it. Okay, so it is getting refreshed and we can see all the details here that the new user now has been added here as a new subscriber. Brunio Kim was the new user, and now that new user is subscribed inside MailChimp contact list as a subscriber, and all the details are present here. Let me show you the details, the first name, last name, and let us see more details. So the status is here, that is subscribed, the tags are here and everything related to that. So basically we have completed our integration process. Let me show you what we actually did. So let me minimize it. Basically, we have integrated our two applications. Firstly, we integrated WordPress to Pabbly Connect, and then we integrated Pabbly Connect to MailChimp. Now, what will happen is whenever a new user is registered inside WordPress, that user will be automatically added inside the MailChimp contact list as a new subscriber. That too in real time with the help of automation software Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two applications, but we can integrate n number of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, then you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. Thank you.